Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what is arguably the best ear infection scope for kids, the Scian Otoscope. This device is designed to provide clear, bright, and detailed views of the ear canal, making it an excellent tool for parents, doctors, and even pet owners who want to keep an eye on ear health at home. The Scian Otoscope features a high-intensity LED light that produces a bright white light with a 6000 K color temperature. This means it shows the true color of tissues inside the ear, which is essential for detecting infections or abnormalities early. The LED bulb is durable, lasting up to 20,000 hours, and can stay illuminated continuously for up to 7 days, ensuring reliable performance whenever you need it. One of the standout features of this otoscope is its 3x magnification lens. The lens is made from coated glass that resists scratches and provides a sharp, clear view of the ear canal. This helps users identify any issues quickly and accurately. The adjustable lens ensures that you can focus perfectly, making it easier to see even the smallest details. The kit comes with 4 different speculum tips in sizes ranging from 2.4mm to 5mm. These tips are washable and reusable, suitable for both children and adults, as well as pets. The smaller tips are ideal for children's ears, while the larger sizes fit adults. It also includes a small screwdriver for easy bulb replacement, adding to the device's practicality. Designed with ergonomics in mind, the otoscope has a chrome-plated handle with skid-proof grooves that provide a secure and comfortable grip. Its compact size makes it handy and convenient to carry or store. Speaking of storage, the whole kit comes in a lightweight hard plastic case. The case is designed for safety and easy access, with a simple press and click mechanism to open. This otoscope is especially recommended for home use, as it offers a cost-effective alternative to more expensive models while still delivering professional-level features. It's perfect for parents wanting to monitor their children's ear health or anyone needing a reliable, portable ear examination tool. In summary, the Scian Otoscope combines powerful LED illumination, clear magnification, versatile tip sizes, and a sturdy ergonomic design into a compact, user-friendly package. Whether you are a parent, a healthcare professional, or a pet owner, this device can help you stay proactive about ear health. That's why we consider it the best ear infection scope for kids available today. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more honest product insights. See you next time.